Hey guys, how's it going? So today we are checking out how to add an AI assistant to your website in under 5 minutes. So let's jump right in. You will need an OpenAI account, and what you will also need is an assistant already defined. So example, I have an assistant here with a very simple instruction that it should do sales and technology consulting for the clients that come to my site. How do I get an API key? Well, you go to API keys on the assistant dashboard, or rather the OpenAI dashboard, and create a new key. We can call it test key. And once it's generated, copy it, save it somewhere, keep it safe. Now, as you can see, I already have one key generated. I'm going to use that and I will revoke the test key. The revoke feature is kind of important if you are handing out this work to a developer or to somebody you trust, and later for whatever reasons you need to kind of revoke access to those keys. Now, once we have the basic assistant set up, you can always play around and make sure that it's giving you the right answers. So I can say, hi, I need a website. And I hope that's more visible. And there you go. I think the assistant is responding just the way I want it to. And I'm ready to move on with the plugging in to my website. Now to do this, we are going to use openwidget.com. I'll put the link in the description, and all you have to do is create an account. It's super simple and makes it a breeze. Now, since I already have an account created, I'm going to log in. And right off the bat, you can see that it gives you a demo of what this widget will look like. So we are going to go to OpenAI Assistant right in the end. Mine is already activated, but in your case, when you select and put the key, it's going to give you an option like this, a drop down to select which assistant you want to go with. So I'm going to go with the ATZ Sales Assistant and press setup. And that's it. You're nearly done. Now, why I say nearly is because you have to take a piece of code by clicking that button, and the code is copied to your clipboard, and going to your website, whether it's a Django based project, a Flask based project, or any other project, all you have to do is go into the HTML, find the ending body tag, and paste the code there. For those of us who have an OCD, you might want to align it, and that's about it. Now it's a local server running, so you can see that this local server does not have a widget right now. As soon as I press save and refresh, we should have a widget in the right corner. There you go. And let's test it out by clicking it and seeing if we are getting the same response. Hi, I want a website. Moment of truth. Sometimes moment of truth takes time, and fantastic. So we have the perfect AI assistant integrated into our site in under 5 minutes. For more cool stuff like this in tech and easy integrations, do like the video and please do subscribe. To be honest, I'm new at it, and a bit of motivation and encouragement may go a long way. Thanks.